Excellent. This strategy that we're going to do is called Placemat. And what you have is a larger sheet on your table. And since we have 5 people in each group, what I'm going to ask you to do is everybody, you're going to put up some divider lines on the placemat. So everybody has approximately an equal opportunity to write in a box. So if you can kind of, from the middle green sheet, just kind of divide it out so everybody has a chance to write. Doesn't have to be exactly equal, but just an opportunity for everybody to have a voice. That's kind of the most important piece. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little bit of time to write down what it says on your sheet. The placemat in the middle, it says factors influencing your attitude towards tobacco, alcohol, and other drugs. So where are your spaces on the sheet to write? You're going to put your ideas, okay? So don't worry about what other people are writing. Just jot down some of your ideas, and then I'll bring you back and I'll explain the next step from there. All right? So try to come up with as many factors as you can in the space that you have. All right, go ahead. All right, excellent. Just finish your last thought, and then if I can have you put your pens down so that I know that you've been able to finish it. Perfect, thank you. All right, so what you have is you have your ideas on your sheet, and you can probably glance around your placemat to see some of your other group's ideas. What we're going to do now is a different strategy where it's going to allow you to explore what some of the other groups are thinking about or talking about on their placemats. So this strategy is called Walkabout, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take each group, and you guys are actually going to physically get up, okay? And your goal is to go and read the ideas on the other placemats, okay? So your goal is to kind of find maybe 2 or 3 ideas that you don't have on your placemat, or even better yet, even in your box. So essentially you're stealing some ideas from other people and kind of coming over like, oh, that's a fantastic idea, I love that. And you're just going to kind of tuck it away until you make it back to your placemat. And then when you get back to your placemat, you can add some other ideas. Maybe there's some ideas that you could find that connect to yours, so you can put those on there also. So we're going to go in a clockwise fashion. So you guys are going to travel to this placemat. Whenever you feel like you're done, then you can just travel to that one. Same thing with you guys, and so on. So maybe just bring your pens with you so that you're not going to lose them. And then when you get back to your home placemat, after you've definitely checked out all the other placemat ideas, please add to your list your 2 or 3 ideas. Okay, so stand up and let's tuck your chairs in to make it easy to move around. All right, so go for a walkabout. Anything new? Anything? Curfew? That's good. Later on. Later on. All right, so if you're done the walkabout, you can go back to your home placemat, and if there's any new ideas that you think that are great, feel free to add them to your box on your placemat. Okay, so what you're going to do now is look at all of the ideas that you have on your sheet and you've collected from other placemats, and you're going to, as a group, circle the top 3 factors that influence your attitudes towards drugs, alcohol, and tobacco. So just circle the top 3 as a group, and then we'll go from there. Go ahead.